Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Isada. I run a fashion and lifestyle blog called Tones of Trends where I document my daily outfits, fashion inspiration, life in NYC, and anything in between. So if you're on the market for any of those things, definitely feel free to hit a follow down below where I will be linking all of those handles. Since this is a fashion YouTube channel, let's get into what I'm wearing. I am wearing a Frankie Shop t-shirt. This has been around since last year, I would say, or the year prior. It's their padded tee. I'm wearing this with just regular Levi's jeans, like boyfriend fit, and a Marc Jacob watch. And my earrings are Madewell. They're literally my favorite hoops, not too heavy and super minimal, which is my vibe, I would say. But yeah, I will be linking all of those down below also if you're in the market for purchasing any of these. Now let's get into the point of this video. So basically, I recently made my first luxury purchase. Luxury meaning spending more than $500 on something. And I did that on a pair of Gucci loafers. For those of you who don't know, the Gucci loafers are just they're loafers, like they're flat shoes, good for spring and fall, made out of leather, and very durable. And for me, like when I was going into this purchase, those things were important to me. Like if I was spending over $900 on a pair of shoes, I want it to last. And I definitely did my research prior to biting the bullet and buying these shoes. I got them from Nordstrom, and that's why you see this bag here. I went into the store, got them. Actually, I ordered them online first. I ordered my regular size, which was a 7.5. That came, it was a little bit too big, so I ended up going into the actual Nordstrom flagship store and ended up exchanging them for a 7, which I had heard would happen, but I just wanted to be safe and order my regular size, and if that didn't work out, which it didn't, I went in and got a new pair of shoes. So let's get into the unboxing. Obviously, like I tried this on in the store, but I just want to show you guys how it comes and like what it looks like and all of that jazz. So out of the Nordstrom bag, this is what the box looks like. Super static, black and white, minimal, love it. And as you open the box, they have these cards. It's just like regular Gucci. I think it just tells you like how to take care of the shoes, in every language, so like nothing too special. And if you open it, this is what it looks like. So you have 2 of those in the box, and then as you get to the actual shoe, it's packaged like really well. A lot of layers of tissue, and within the box you have these little bags to store your shoe in with the Gucci logo. So there's 2 of these in here. This is the first one, and this is the second one, and then more tissue within the box. It's like your shoes definitely come super, super protected. More tissue. And then you finally get to the shoe, which is wrapped really well. And look how beautiful they are. Oh, that almost fell. It's literally one of those things where you know, like, you're gonna wear this forever and even like pass it down to like your child one day. Like, that's the feeling I'm getting from these. And for me, like, that's a really good investment if you ask me. So now let's get into pricing. As I said, I got these from Nordstrom. I actually want to pull it up on the app and tell you guys how much I paid exactly. So give me 1 second. So in total, I ended up paying $903.66 for these shoes. The shoes alone were $830, and tax, because we all know I live in New York, and taxes aren't cheap here. So the tax was $73.66, which brought my total to $903.66. So as you can see, like, these are not cheap, but as I said, these are those shoes that you're gonna have forever. And even if you do get tired of them, you still, like, you could sell these and still make good money. And for me, like, as I'm now buying more luxury stuff regarding my brand, I want to make sure I'm buying things that have value, like things that don't depreciate, things that hold up years and years and years. And I definitely feel like these Gucci shoes are those. And I just see myself wearing them forever. Like, ever and ever and ever. This is the other pair. Also in the plastic like the other one. Packaged the same way. And yeah, they're so beautiful, guys. So excited. Ugh. I just want NYC weather to stop messing with us and give us spring so I can wear these out. But I see myself wearing this with dresses, jeans, just like casual style, which is my style, like super laid back, super chill. I'm definitely like really excited. So these are called, I actually don't think I talked about this, but these are called the Jordans. They also have the Brixtons, which kind of like flap in the back, and are softer leather than these. These are harder, but they do break in. But the Brixtons are softer than this, and you could literally fold it in if you wanted to and wear it as those kind of shoes, but these don't fold over. I just felt like these were like more dressier than the Brixtons, so I like this vibe more for sure. Yeah, this is it. Like I said, I had gotten the 37.5 before and sized down to a 37, and they fit really great. But yeah, I can like keep admiring these shoes forever because that's how in love I am with them. But I'm just so excited to wear them. Spring is almost here, and I will be wearing these to death, like to death, and definitely get my cost per wear out of them for sure. But that's basically it. I definitely hope to make more videos like this. I have more on my wish list this year in the luxury department. The next thing I want to get is the LOAFERS basket bag, and I definitely think I'm gonna get it before summer gets here. That's also been something on my wish list since last year. And I also want to show you guys what that looks like once I get that in. But yeah, that's basically it. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, definitely feel free to put them down in the comment box. I'm excited to start this channel and get it going. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. As I said earlier, I will be linking all of my socials down below, so if you want to keep in touch, definitely feel free to follow, and I will see you guys later. Bye!